Ukhwele emkhumbini umkhuluwa ka-Bongani Ntanzi uMbongeleni Ntanzi nalapho ebephendula imibuzo ngomninawa wakhe nangesimo senhlalo ekhayeni labo. Igqwetha lika-Ntanzi uTimothy licele inkundla kuba akhululwe nge-bail ngokuba kudala ehlelele uvalelweni kwaye nelityala ajongene nalo liseza kutsala ixesha elide.
The applicant was arrested 4 years after the incident.
When exactly was he arrested?
It was the end of 2017. The incident took place in 2012.
No, I'm asking about when was the applicant arrested?
In 2017. Yes,
arrested 2017. So are you saying the applicant has been in custody since 2017?
That's correct, Your Worship.
After his arrest, he's always been in custody until the trial commenced.
That's correct, Your Worship.
Why didn't you apply for bail before? Why do you decide to apply for bail in 2022?
Your Lordship, I never started with the matter from the beginning.
uThobani waxelela inkundla ukuba uNtanzi akasoze aqhweshe abhacele kwelinye ilizwe uza kuza enkundleni xa ebiziwe kwaye ibinguye yedwa ujonge usapho lwakhe.
In the interest of just that he be released on bail, as he is, before he was arrested, he was the sole breadwinner of the family. And we humbly submit that there is prospects that when he is released on bail, he will get employed by one company by the name of Empire Holdings.
uThobani uthi uNtanzi angakhupha imali engange 10,000 rand kuba inkundla yasiphumeza isicelo sakhe sebail.